Okay, my second example, like I mentioned at the end of the last one, we have a couple things that we have to be careful about. Here is my second example of polynomial long division. I'm going to do x to the third power plus 4x squared minus 5 divided by x minus 2. And one thing to be careful about here is to notice that my first polynomial, I have a term that's cubed, I have a term that's squared, I don't have a term that's just x, and then I have my constant. When I write my problem, this first stuff goes under the bar, but when I write this, I want to have a placeholder. Plus 0x minus 5. Okay, it's really, really easy to forget those placeholders, and if you don't have that placeholder, then it throws a lot of other things off. And then the x minus 2 will go out front again. Just like that last problem, it's really this first part that we care about, this first part we need to be concerned with. So what times x gives me x cubed? X squared. Find my x squared term here. And write x squared above it. Multiply this through. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is minus 2x squared. Again, be really, really careful with your subtraction. X cubed minus x cubed cancels out. 4x squared minus negative 2x squared is going to be 6x squared. Bring down our next term, the 0x. And this is really where it comes in that we need to have that placeholder. What times x gives me 6x squared? 6x. 6x times x is our 6x squared. The 6x times negative 2 is negative 12x. Subtract straight down. Now, if we didn't have our placeholder and we had the negative 5 here, we'd be kind of stuck because we wouldn't be able to combine these terms. We wouldn't have like terms there. So again, that's why we really want to make sure we have our placeholder. 6x squared minus 6x squared cancels out. We have positive 12x. Now we're almost done. We have to bring down our negative 5. X times 12 gives me 12x. 12 times negative 2 gives me negative 24. Subtract. My x's cancel out. Negative 5 minus negative 24 gives me plus 19, a positive 19. So this is my remainder. Okay, x squared plus 6x plus 12 plus my remainder over what I divided by will be my final answer.